Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about the current Iran crisis. Just in case you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can check it out. It blocks out all the advertising and also help the internet surf internet faster. As well as you can earn basic attention token as well. If you're interested, you can click the link below. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. And as well as you can follow me on library.tv and bittreat.com, because of a potential censorship from YouTube. Also, you can follow me on library.tv and follow me on Twitter. So let's talk about the crisis. So oil price has been creeping up since the attack of the U.S. Embassy in Baghdad. And then there's an airstrike as well, right, in retaliation. So the oil price has been creeping up. And so in terms of the stock market in the Gulf area, you can see the Saudi Stock Exchange already fell 170 points. And those are basically telecommunication industry, healthcare, and financial as well. And of course, Amoco, they just have an IPO, and it is even lower. I think the price is even lower than his since the last IPO. So you can see there's a U.S. Embassy Baghdad attack, and then the general Q. General in then you can see the price has been at all-time low right now, and the Kuwait Stock Exchange is the same thing, and Dubai financial market is the same thing. Qatar, I think it's Qatar is the same thing. Egyptian exchange is the same thing. And right now, around, I think people are risk-off sentiment right now across the Gulf area because of what happened, U.S. airstrike, and potentially with an escalation of military intervention and stuff like that. Basically, maybe going to war. And on Saturday, a red flag was hoisted over the holy mosque in Iran. People are saying that the flag is almost always blue. But according to the old Iranian traditions in Asian war, red flags were raised when the enemy commits murder and will remain red until the revenge is complete. This is pretty scary. Oh. So President Trump, of course, tweeting that the U.S. would target 52 Iranian sites and representing 52 American hostage taken by Iran many years ago. And of course, he is also saying that it will be hit very fast, very hard, and the USA wants no more threats. So right now, the geopolitical tension is obviously escalated in the area. And of course, because of this, the oil price will going to go up. Expected probably on, even though right now they're going up. But right now, they don't have any market, right? It's on Sunday. So the stock price, I expect the stock price is going to take a nosedive on Monday, and gold and silver along with oil is continuing to go up on Monday. So another interesting, you can see the oil price has been creeping up already. Like it has been hovering around $60, 63. At the beginning of December, it's only like 50, like 55. It's almost 63. I mean, the oil price has been increasing is not a good sign because Americans, they rely on the oil, and that will trigger inflation. And this is the least thing you want to trigger inflation, because more money on the gas pump, less money on spending, right, to support the economy, to stimulate the economy. And in terms of gold is pretty bullish right now. Right now, I don't see any sign of stopping. I would anticipate gold will go even higher. Not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. Actually, in my previous video, I think probably a week or 2 weeks ago, I already talked about gold is back to a bullish momentum. So you can go back to my previous video. I can put the link below as well. So gold, I anticipate it will go even higher with the escalation of crisis. And Super Crypto tweet about the only thing that will stop Trump is S&P dumping 1,000 points. oil at $5, not a few million Iranian kills, not many care for life. And war on Iran kissed the global economy goodbye. Actually, Jaron Salente, back in July 2019, he talked about the tension heating up in Iran. War on Iran kissed the global economy goodbye. So Jaron Salente, he is pretty pessimism about the U.S. economy since 2009. And I think he is basically another, I think, who is the other guy? I forgot. I can't remember his name right now. He's always pessimism. So basically, he missed out. He always said about gold back in 2009 it's very good, blah blah blah, and he basically missed out the whole, the 10 years the stock market bull run. He has been so pessimistic about the economy, but right now, well, we'll see. You can go back and check out this video. He is pretty bearish, very for a very long time basically. Of course, gold is going to go higher, right? So gold, it takes about, I think gold is like 8 to 10 years a cycle. Remember back in 2012, gold at all-time high around, I hit around, I think maybe 2,000 or something, 1,900, I can't remember now. So it is at all-time high at 2012 almost. So once it hit all-time high, it takes about 8 to 10 years to go back to the next cycle. Right now, we're about in the next cycle right now. So it's about the next cycle, right? So right now it's 2020. Yeah, it's like 8 years. So probably go back to the next cycle. But the thing is, if you bought gold at 2012 and at the very top, it takes you about 8 or 10 years to get back to the previous high. But right now it hasn't get back to the previous high yet, but we'll never know because of the current tension. It will go higher. Based on the chart, it looks it will go higher as well. And so let me know what you think about the current tension, geopolitical tension for Iran, and do you think this will drag the U.S. economy down to a recession? And do you think that will affect the whole global economy? What do you think about the stock market when it is open on Monday? Do you think this will be a nosedive? Probably I think it's nosedive because you can see this is just, I don't know, except if they have somebody to like a purge protection team to make sure the S&P don't go down certain level. They keep on buying just to artificially support the market. You never know, right? Because everybody is going to anticipate this is nosedive. And of course, gold and silver along with oil is going to go higher. So in terms of when there's a uncertainty, geopolitical war or stuff like that, gold, silver, oil always go up, right? Well, I don't think the stock market is going to looks pretty on Monday, and probably they have a price protection team or whatever to buy a whole bunch of stock to prevent the S&P from have a nosedive. That scare a lot of people. We will see, right? We'll see. So let me know what you think about the Iran, the tension or geopolitical pressure. Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. What do you think about oil, gold, and silver as well? And I would love to hear from you as well. I think in terms of not a financial advice, investment, probably put some money in gold and silver, right? I've been talking about gold and silver for a very long time, for almost a year. At the time, maybe gold and silver is $14 or whatever, silver is 14, and then gold is like 1,200 or 1,300. So I've been talking about for probably more than not more than a year, probably about a year. So I think just put when there's a correction or whatever, when there's a correction, just buy a little bit. Don't chase the high. So when there's correction, just buy a little bit, just accumulate. You don't have to buy a lot. But in terms of crisis, if there's anything happen like Venezuela, you can still use a silver coin to exchange of, I believe, 3 months worth of grocery, stuff like that. So just in case something happen, you still have a silver coin, you can exchange for something, or you already those doomsday guy, you already have your own farm or own self-sufficient, and as well as you're off the grid, you're using a solar panel, and you're saving your rainwater. I know somebody like this actually. I'm not even kidding. I know somebody, they're well prepared for the doomsday. They can the food for almost a year of supply. So if in the event something happen, they can be self-sufficient for at least 6 months to 1 year until everything got settled down. So this could happen, you never know. But, just prepare for the worst, hope for the best. That's all you can do. But the Monday stock market is not going to be look pretty. It's not going to be look pretty. So let me know what you think about all this geopolitical pressure. I would love to hear from you. And please comment below what you think about this crisis. Will that be resolved very soon, or will there be trigger recession? And I don't know. This is not good actually. I think not good for the world, because anytime there's a war is not good. I mean, there will be human life loss and all that. And yeah. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well, and library.tv as well. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in stock market, cryptocurrency, and commodities can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.